Everyone, it's Twyla. So if you like wine and you like subscription boxes, lifestyle subscription boxes, this box is for you because this is a Vino wine and lifestyle subscription box all in one. This was a Christmas gift from my husband last year. So if you like these kinds of unboxings, stay tuned because we're going to open it up right now. With the Vino subscription, you get quarterly 2 bottles of wine and a lifestyle box that has 5 full-size items in here. Now, with this box, it's $59.99 a quarter, or you can buy it annually, and I think you get a little bit of a break. So with this, you can pick reds, whites, red and white, or sweet wines. And I picked red and white. So this Ooh La La Vine box for the winter box, their Ooh La La box, this is a New Crush red wine blend from California. Vino box is managed here in Kansas City, Missouri. They source their wine from California. So this is a 2016 red blend, and this is a Spectacle Sauvignon Blanc, right? From Western Cape, South Africa, 2017. Last month's, the December, I'm just going to review this really quickly. So last month's was a New Crush Pinot Grigio, which was very nice, very light, very nice. And so I'm happy to try the New Crush red wine. This was the Speechless 2017 Merlot. This was so good. This Speechless, if you like Merlots, you're going to love this Speechless, right? Speechless brand from California. This was lovely. I really enjoyed it. I like rich ones, but this one was very surprisingly such a beautiful Merlot. If you like wines, there you go. Who wants a glass of wine? It actually says vented and bottled by Vino. Right there. Okay, so what I like about this subscription box, and I know this is only my second box, is that you can tell them, I don't want reds this month, I want whites. I don't want whites, I want reds, I want sweets. So you can tell them to change it up each quarter. Or you can say, I don't want my box, ship it to somebody else, and they'll ship it to the address that you put on there. So isn't that really cool? They also have available that you can buy a one-time box and ship it to somebody, and I think that's $69.95. So here is the lifestyle items that are in the winter box. So each box comes with these cards here. Look, oh, nice pink. And in here, it tells you about your wines. It tells you about every product in here. So, and it tells you the total value. So the total value of my box, oh, well, it's 150 plus, depending on the wine, because the wine is $21 to $26 each. So this is everything that I'm getting in the box. It has their value in here. And sometimes on these cards, there's information about each item on these cards. And they also have, sometimes they also have, and they do on this one, discount codes. So if they do, I will put those in the description box below and link them up here as well. We're gonna go in the order of this card. Oh, I'm so excited about what I see. This says, this is the Lalicious Velour Body Melt Sugar Kiss Protect and Perfect. I guess it's like a balm that says gel to oil formulation. Oh, nice. I'm gonna open this one up. It does have a special offer. It says if you use VINO20, you get 20% off, and that code is good through May 31st this year. So this says this will restore moisture and quench dryness from head to toe, literally. Oh, please read before opening. We want you to fully enjoy your experience with our body melt. This product is made with coconut oil, which is temperature sensitive. Okay, so if you're not fond of coconut oil and you can't do coconut oil, you probably aren't going to like this. But oh, look at this. It is in the scent Sugar Kiss. Sinks into skin for an effortless, touchable finish. Use caution when opening. The product could be soft or liquefied because it's temperature sensitive. The Velour Body Melt will soften in warmer temperatures and solidify in cooler temperatures. The change in consistency doesn't affect the quality, and store in a cool place or pop in the quick refrigerator for solidification. So we are opening this because we are going to use this. Now, I will say this. I don't like getting lotions in every single box. So I get FabFitFun too. And it seems to me a cheap way. But, oh my gosh, That scent, Sugar Kiss, that's pretty. Okay, so there you can see it has solidified. This is a balm to oil for your skin. I am going to love this. You guys, I can't even describe this scent, Sugar Kiss. It is very nice. I can't wait to put this all over my body. And you know what? This would make a lovely gift too for someone who likes lotions. So check them out, Lalicious, and use their code VINO for 20% off. $38. Really? This is $38? You know, I don't know. If this is just coconut oil and perfumes, this says coconut oil, sweet almond oil, fragrance, melon seed oil, and macadamia nut seed oil. I don't know. $38? Wow. What a nice luxury item. So this is the coolest thing ever. This is Good Things Coming, and it is a to-do calendar. The card says, weekly planning has never been easier or cuter. We're excited to share this planner custom created by the Vino team. You're exactly where you need to be. That's great. This is going to be great for me. I work at home. I have a desk right over there. And even if I didn't work at home, you can write the week up here and all your notes. Great. I'm excited to have that. So the next thing in here is Wine for Two wine glasses. It says, Mwah. They have been designed exclusively for Vino. These are very large. Oh, cute. Look at that. That is so cute. It says the glasses have a design exclusive to Wino. The red ombre color at the base is perfect pop of color for your wine glass collection. And the red metallic designs are sassy. A sassy trend. Oh, look, XO and mwah. Aren't those pretty? Those are great. I'm guessing this is for Valentine's Day, and I didn't open this book. I did get my box before Valentine's Day. I just didn't get to open it before. That's great. That'll go perfect with a glass of wine. These glasses were made custom for Vino Box by a company called Wine for Two. So the next thing in here are these cute little, it says Foxy Originals wine charms, which is great, but it's interesting that the wine glasses we got were stemless. These are nice. They say XOXO, kisses, lips, love, heart, and then cheers. So that's cute. It says love is all you need. So these are $23 for 6 charms. And if you do like these, if you use Vino at foxyoriginals.com, you can get 30% off all your items. And then the last thing in here is from Candy Club. Candy Club is a subscription box for candy. And these are You Make Me Melt dark chocolate filled with sea salt caramel. Oh, perfectly poppable. So sweetly sealed for you. Oh, let's get in here. These are $7. Well, now that's affordable. Oh, yum. Look at those. It's the chewy caramel, not the soft. Right up my alley, guys. I love dark chocolate and I love caramel. So, $7, $25, $23, $15, and $38. These wines value around anywhere from $21 to $26. So the total value of my box is over $150. So that is everything that was in the Lifestyle Black box, plus the 2 bottles of wine. I'm really happy about that. I can't wait to dig into this and put this all over my body. $38 is a lot, so I'm really excited that that was in my box. Thank you for joining me tonight. I am going to go open up one of these. I don't know which one, and try in my new glasses. Probably this red one. Probably pour myself a little bottle. Yeah, okay. A little glass of wine and dig into these caramels that I am not going to share with anyone else. Thank you so much for watching me unbox this lovely Christmas present from my husband. I'm really happy with it. I'm very excited. I need to give him a kiss when he comes inside tonight. You guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Focus on the good and the happy in your lives. And come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye.